Hello everyone, I'm your English teacher and I hope that everything is good with you and your family. Now today from your grammar book we are going to discuss a topic that is adverb. So before we move on to your book, let's have an introduction about what are adverbs. An adverb is a word that adds something more to the meaning of a verb. An adverb can modify verb, an adjective or another verb. So, for more clarity, let's read the example. Rohan speaks clearly. So, clearly here is an adverb because it gives more information about Rohan, how he is speaking. Next, they were extremely tired. Extremely here is an adverb because it gives more information how they are feeling. Now, today's our main topic is comparison of adverb. That is another kind of adverb and it is very similar to adjective because in adjective we basically have positive, comparative and superlative degree. Same we are having in adverbs positive, comparative and superlative degree. So, positive degree of a word fast is fast. Comparative degree of word fast is faster. Superlative degree of word fast is fastest. So these are the three degrees of comparison of an adverb. So now move on to your book. Chapter 8, Comparison of Adverbs. Now, adverbs may be used to compare how two or more actions are done. So, basically, we use adverbs of comparison to compare two actions and two things, how they are being happening. The comparatives and superlative are formed in much the same way as those of adjective. As I earlier told, adverbs have same comparative and superlative degrees like an adjective. This means that they are generally formed by adding more and most respectively. The adverbs in the positive form. Now, how we make that comparative and superlative degree? By adding more in comparative degree and by adding most in superlative degree. First, now move on to the examples. The comparative degree is for comparing two actions or situation. I like chocolates more than ice cream. Here comparison is made like I like chocolate more than ice cream. So we use more as a comparative degree. They turned up for the game later than you did. You attend concert more frequently than they do. May defended June more ably than June did. Now, when we use superlative degrees, superlative degree is for comparing two or more actions or situations. As we earlier learned that comparative degree is used between a comparison of two actions. But we use superlative degree when we have to compare actions more than two and all. Now example, I like oranges most of all. So when you have to choose a thing from out of all, then you use superlative degree. They turned up for the party latest of all those who did. We attend concert more frequently in December. The little boy did his drawing the most carefully of all the children in his class. Now here is the list of adverbs in the positive, comparative and superlative degrees. So below you are getting the list of a few adverbs that have their comparative and superlative degrees. Now I'm gonna read that for you. Actively, more actively, most actively. Angrily, more angrily, most angrily. Attentively, more attentively, most attentively. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Bravely, more bravely, most bravely. Brightly, more brightly, most brightly. Dangerously, more dangerously, most dangerously. Delightfully, more delightfully, most delightfully. Easily, more easily, and most easily. Encouragingly, more encouragingly, and most encouragingly. You have noticed one thing while I was reading all these words. Basically, those words who end up with ly, they have their comparative degree and superlative degree followed by words more and most. Now move on to another one. Here below are more examples. I hope you read this on your own. Now move on to another rule. With some adverbs, there is no need to add more and most to form comparative and superlative. So in above, we have learned that warmly have more and most. But few are the adverbs that don't follow the same pattern. So who are that words? Fast, faster, fastest. We never say that more fast, most fastest. Hard, harder, hardest. We never use more hard, most hard. High, higher, highest. Late, later, latest. Long, longer, longest. Near, nearer, nearest. Soon, sooner, soonest. We never use more soon, most soon. Clear? Now, next one is the following are adverbs with irregular comparative and superlative form. So few are the words that don't follow the above both rules. That are bad, worse, worst. We never say bad, more bad, most bad. No, that is pretty wrong. And we never say bad, badder, baddest. No, that is again a wrong. So these are irregular words that have a different form of comparative and superlative degrees. And other examples are there. Okay. Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Well, better, best. So now the points that you need to remember, let's recapitulate that one. Adverbs may be used to compare how two or more actions are done. So we use adverbs of comparison when we have to compare actions. Next one, the comparative degree is for comparing two actions or situation. Very clear, when we are going to use comparative degree when we have to compare two actions simultaneously. Next one is the superlative degree is for comparing three or more actions or situation. So when we use that superlative degree in adverbs when we have to compare actions more than two. When we have to make a comparison between two, then we use comparative degree. When it is more than two or all, then we are going to use superlative degree. Now next one is most of the comparatives and superlatives are formed by adding more and most respectively to the adverbs in the positive form. So more adverbs we are going to form basically those adverbs with to end with ly, they follow more and most as their comparative and superlative degree. Now next one is some comparatives and superlatives are formed by adding er and es to positive respectively. So few words are those who don't use that more and most as their comparative and superlative degree. The reason is that because they are not ending with a word ly. So like word fast, we are having faster, fastest. We use er and est to their comparative and superlative degree. Now last, some comparatives and superlative follow an irregular pattern are formed with words different from the positive words. Like example I have given you, bad, we never say more bad, most bad. And we are never gonna use that bad, better, baddest. No, that is having a different kind of comparative and superlative degree. That is, bad is having worse and worst. In the above example, you can say that is an irregular adverb pattern. So I hope that you understood this comparison of adverb. Now in today's online class, your teacher will discuss exercises with you. Till the time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.